Bloodbath on Dalal Street today. The Indian stock market experienced a sharp and unexpected fall. This erased almost all the gains from Monday's rally. What happened? Let's break it down. Weak global cues, particularly from the US, spooked investors. Add to that the looming US inflation data, and you have a recipe for a sell-off. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the day's action. The Sensex plummeted by 1.55% today, closing at 81,148.22. The Nifty 50 tumbled by 1.39% to end at 24,578.35. This broad-based sell-off was widespread, with investors hitting the sell button after Monday's exuberance. Let's take a closer look at the tech and defense sectors. The technology sector faced significant losses today. The Nifty IT index dropped by 2.5%, with Infosys and LTIMindtree leading the decline. Conversely, the defense sector showed resilience. It surged by nearly 4%, driven by the government's emphasis on enhancing defense capabilities. Companies like BDL, BL, and HAL emerged as top gainers. Amidst the sea of red, some stocks managed to shine. IYFL Finance surged 5%, Cochin Shipyard climbed 4%, and Hero MotoCorp gained 3%. Market losers. Infosys and Power Grid dragged the Nifty down. Bharti Airtel fell by 2.5%. Telecom sector margins are under pressure. The global stage inflation fears and the Fed's next move. Investors are on edge about rising inflation in the US. They're eagerly awaiting US inflation data, which could influence the Federal Reserve's next move. Higher US interest rates could pull capital out of emerging markets like India. The rupee's slight strengthening to 85.35 provided a sliver of good news, a mixed bag of results. It's earnings season in India, adding volatility to the market. Companies are reporting quarterly results, and investors are scrutinizing these reports. Hero MotoCorp's stellar performance provided some cheer, but other results have been less impressive. Tata Steel reported weak numbers, reflecting global challenges. What's next for the Indian stock market? Volatility will persist. Global factors like inflation and interest rates will influence sentiment. Corporate earnings reports will sway direction. Amidst volatility, there are opportunities for savvy investors. Stay informed, stay invested, and happy investing.